Hi, I'm Annie. I'm back today with some practical information, really practical life information, not necessarily real estate related. Bear with me here though, because I think it'll be one of the best videos for you. Since I do specialize in selling inherited properties and downsizing seniors, I am kind of facing people that are at the end of their life or they've already lost someone. And it makes me really think about today and living for today. It makes me kind of face my own mortality. And for some weird reason, I've sort of been like this since my 20s. I used to always write down important information if I would be in a road trip. And I always had this thing if I got in a car crash, what would the police need to know? Who would they need to call right away? This is back before cell phones. So I'm kind of dating myself here, but I was living in Canada a lot and I always had a California license. So I just always thought it'd be super confusing. So I always wanted to be prepared, especially if I was traveling with my children. I wanted as much information accessible for whoever might find this. I know it sounds a little weird, but I just want to be prepared if something should happen, because honestly, people, there's only two guarantees in life. One, change. There's always going to be change. And two, we're going to die sometime. Some people say taxes are also guaranteed, but I say not, because I do know some people that evade taxes for years, so you never know. Anyway, the being prepared for when you die, to me, is more about living than being morbid about dying. Okay, I hope that makes sense, but getting prepared, I talk about it from a legal perspective, having your living trust in order if you own a house, having your will, your medical health care directive. But I created a workbook. I actually have 4 different covers to appeal to, different personalities. And they're all on Amazon. They all have the exact same information. This is my #1 bestseller. God Don't Want Me Yet, but when he does, I'll be ready. A lot of people like that, even though it's not grammatically correct. Anyway, it's a little short workbook. Short, it's not long. You can probably fill it out in about 30 minutes. But I have a place to fill in everything that someone would need to know if you died. Okay? Again, you will die at some point, so might as well be prepared. Has lots about passwords. So yeah, you could maybe put this in a safe so people don't have easy access, but has different locations for your password. Has financial information, your banking account information, what online banking information they would need. Where's your medical insurance? Who are your doctors? Who's your attorney? Who are your financial advisors? What bills you pay on auto pay? I'd be shocked to know. That's one of the things a lot of people have their car insurance on auto pay. So the insurance company isn't just automatically told, hey, so-and-so died, stop taking this automatic payment. You have to go in and cancel that automatic payment. Or cell phone bills, same thing. I've heard of people having paid those bills for like upwards of a year after someone passed away. So you don't want your loved ones to have to worry about all these things. And then, yes, I talk about people's pets. Who's going to take care of your pets if something happens to you? Who are your pets' vets? Then also, what do you want in a burial? Do you want a funeral? Do you want to be buried? Do you want to be cremated? Do you have songs you want played? You can go as detailed or as kind of simple as you want. But I'm telling you, this will be a godsend for those you leave behind. And maybe if you feel like you're not ready, but you want to give it to someone who's older than you, have at it. You won't be sorry to have this kind of information. And I have seen so many friends go through death of siblings, husbands, spouses in their 30s and 40s. Dying does not abide by age, a certain number you have to live till, and then you need to be prepared. Just be prepared before you think you should be, because then it's done. It's done. And I have lots of spaces, so when information changes, there's extra lines to add information. Anyway, the link is below. It's on Amazon. Super easy. You guys just be prepared. I know this isn't a super fun topic, but to me, when you're prepared, you get out and live. If you have any real estate questions or you want me to do some other topic, comment below. I'm loving getting phone calls from a lot of my viewers with questions when they inherit properties. Please keep them coming. I love helping you guys, whether you're in California or out of state. I'm here to help you. So anyway, until next time, have a great one.